we're going to have so much fun guessing the sounds of different animals. Are you ready? Okay, here comes our first sound. Listen carefully. Did you hear that? Which animal makes that sound? Is it a tiger, an elephant, a panda, or a giraffe? Think carefully. If you guessed an elephant, you're right. Elephants trumpet loudly. Great job, everyone. Let's move on to the next sound. Listen closely. Wow, that was loud. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a zebra, a rabbit, a cow, or an ant? Did you guess cow? Fantastic. Cows go moo. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Listen carefully to this sound. That was an interesting sound. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a chicken, a beaver, a gorilla, or a frog? If you said chicken, you're amazing. Chickens go cluck cluck. Let's try another one. Here's the next sound. Listen up. Whoa, that was powerful. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a bee, an eagle, a lion, or a goat? If you guessed lion, you're correct. Lions roar really loudly. Great job. Let's hear another sound. Ready for the next one? Listen carefully. That was a common sound. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a shark, a dog, a hippopotamus, or a cat? Did you say dog? Perfect. Dogs love to bark. You're doing fantastic. Let's do one more. Here's the last sound for this video. Listen closely. Wow, that was a big sound. Which animal makes this sound? Is it a monkey, a camel, a penguin, or a kangaroo? If you guessed monkey, you're right. Monkeys make those chattering sounds. Awesome job, everyone. Thank you for playing Guess Which Animal Makes This Sound.